Hey everyone, this is Dr. Sapneil from Sapneil Tutoring Incorporated. In today's video, we're going to be talking about everything you need to know about that penalty rule on the SSAT exam that a lot of middle school students are taking for the middle level exam or the upper level exam, trying to get into those private high schools across the country. So the SSAT exam, known as the Secondary School Admission Test, is a standardized test that most private and independent schools use as a metric for admissions. So what is this penalty rule? So every question that you answer on the test, you get 1 point for if you get it correct. However, if you leave it blank, you don't get a point, neither do you get deducted a point. You just left it blank. And then this penalty rule. So if you answer a question, you get it incorrect, you get 0.25 or 1/4 of that point deducted. For example, if you've answered 10 questions correct, but 4 questions incorrectly, that means you have 10 questions, 10 points, minus 4 questions incorrect times 0.25, which means your overall net score is 9 points. It's really, really important to identify that this portion of the penalty on the SSAT is really, really important in terms of how to strategize when you're taking the test. All right, so should you guess on the SSAT? And so what are some of the strategies? Eliminate answer choices. Try to narrow it down to 50-50. Obviously in math, there's a correct answer. In reading and grammar and some of the other spelling and other sections of the exam, you can narrow down to 2. Time management is key. Stimulate testing conditions, practice process of elimination, and be selective about guessing because of that 0.25 deduction rule. Another important thing is to avoid random guessing. You'd rather, out of the 40 questions, if you know 20 correct and 20 you have no idea, don't answer those other 20. Just get your 20 points. It's really important to maximize the number of points that you can obtain on any specific section of the SSAT exam. In conclusion, the penalty rule in the SSAT adds a layer of complexity to the test, making it essential for students to strategize and to prepare by taking standardized real practice exams and mock exams so you can see what your distribution of scores are. Additionally, it's important to implement effective guessing techniques and then also time management and process of elimination techniques as well. Here at Sapneil Tutoring, we are able to provide you with a list of different strategies to help you navigate the SSAT. My name is Dr. Sapneil, and for the past 15 years, my team and I have helped over 10,000 students in the areas of test prep, academic subject tutoring, cognitive testing, admissions advising, independent and private school advising, and test prep, and so much more. If you'd like to learn more about how you can get prepared for the SSAT and learn strategies on this penalty rule on the SSAT, please don't hesitate to reach out to us by email, listed below, or by number. We're available 7 days a week, and we look forward to helping you achieve your academic goals. Thank you so much.